everybody, my name's Michelle. I'm going to sing a song about some animals. Want to sing along with me? It starts off with a rooster. Goes like this. I had a little rooster, the rooster pleased me. I fed my rooster by the greenwood tree, and that little rooster went cock-a-doodle-doo, dee-doodle, 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 dee-doo. I had a little cow, and the cow pleased me. I fed my cow by the greenwood tree, and that little cow went. What sound does the cow make? Can you do the sound the cow makes with me? Moo! Good job. And that little rooster went cock-a-doodle-doo, dee-doodle, 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 dee-doo. I had a little cat, and the cat pleased me. I fed my cat by the greenwood tree, and that little cat went. What sound does the cat make? Come on, you can do it. Meow! That's right, meow! And my little cow went moo! And my little rooster went cock-a-doodle-doo, dee-doodle, 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 dee-doo. I had a little pig, and the pig pleased me. I fed my pig by the greenwood tree, and that little pig went. What sound does the pig make? Come on, you can do it. Oink, 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 you got it. And that little cat went meow, meow. And that little cow went moo. And my little rooster went cock-a-doodle-doo, dee-doodle, 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 dee-doo. Hey, thanks for singing along, guys. See you later.